Hello everyone, welcome to Almighty Tricks. There is a question in LeetCode saying longest common prefix. So in this question, the input will be one array, string array. So it will have list of strings. Okay. So from those list of strings, we need to find the prefix string. Okay, what I mean. So in example one, if you see the arrays are like flower, flow, and flight. Okay, the prefix strings means what? The first some character. Okay, so if you see this index 1 character is FL. Okay, first two character is FL, index 2 character is also FL, then last one is FL. So this is the prefix string. Okay, so we need to return this one. Similarly, if you see example 2, so there are no prefix strings, so we need to return as a blank array, blank string. Okay, let's understand how we can solve this. Okay, so the question, the input we can have, flower. Okay, and flow. Okay, then we can have flight. Okay, so the output should be FL. Okay, so means what? So we have, if I explain this input, we have this flower, right? Then we have flow, right? Then we have flight. So if you see the first two string, if you see the prefix string is this two. Okay, so the prefix string is flow. Okay, now if you check with this third string, the prefix string is what? FL, not flow. Okay, so this is flight is there, so I is there, but we have this O and W, so it is not matching, right? But FL is matching, so we can have FL. So this will be the output. Okay, so the approach will be very simple. What we will do, we will traverse this input array. So first approach will be traverse input array. Okay, then the second step will be, we can have one method. Okay, we can have one method which will take the word 1, first word, and word 2, which will call from this loop. Okay, so we need to pass these two words. So what I mean, this word first it will pass, this word and this word, these two words it will pass. Okay, and we need to compare these characters. How we compare now in this example, we compare character by character, right? Similarly here also we need to compare character by character, then we'll return that prefix. Okay, so let's code this one, then you will get clarify all this thing. Okay, so what I mean, okay? So first of all, I need to have one string prefix. Okay, so first of all, what I'll do, I'll assign this first element to the prefix string. Okay, so what I mean, so a of 0 I'll assign to this prefix string. Okay, now I'll take the for loop to traverse this array. So int I equals to 1, I less than a dot length, then I plus plus. Why I am taking 1? Because it is already mentioned here, right? So what I'll do, I'll pass this prefix to the next method. So the method I can use match characters, match char. Okay, so in this method I'll pass this prefix. Okay, these two words, prefix, comma, and element a of 1. Okay, and it will return one string So which will update the prefix string. This string it will update. Okay, and finally I'll return this prefix string. Okay, fine. Now we need to check this match char method. So match char method will be, we can have string return type match char. Okay, so it will have word1, word2. Okay, now what we'll do, we can use either the uh, string methods, existing method like char at, index of, like those things we can use, or we can directly convert it to char array. Let's say char array c1 equals to word1 dot to char array. So this method will convert this string to character array. So just check your language. So this is for the Java. Just check your language which method is applicable for this. Okay, and I need to convert this word2 also. The word2 will be to char array. Okay, now I need to check each and every word, each and every character, right? So what I'll do, I'll take the for loop. Int j equals to 0, j less than c1 dot length, means this character length or word length. Okay, and also this word. Okay, so if j less than c2 dot length or word2 length. Okay, then j plus plus. Okay, now I need to check each and every character, right? If so, so here also we need to have one string. Okay, so it will also prefix. Okay, with empty array. Okay. So if c1 of j equals to c2 of j, then I'll update the prefix array, right? Prefix string. Prefix plus equals to c1 of j, okay, or c2 of j. Otherwise, if it is not matched, then I'll directly break. Else, if it is not matching, then I'll break. Okay. Otherwise, without else also it will work. I'll break this loop and I'll return this prefix. Okay. So that's all actually. So this is the solution. Okay. Sorry. This. So here I need to return prefix. Okay, let's code this one. So we can have one string with prefix equals to str of 0, the first character, first word. Okay, then I'll take the for loop. Int I equals to 1, I less than str dot length. Okay, I plus plus. Then I'll create one utility method. Okay, which will return the string and it will update the prefix match char. Okay, so it will take two words, so prefix and a of I, so it will start from 1, right? Then I'll return prefix, which is the string return type. Okay, let me create this match char method. So it will have string return type, string match char method. It will have first word, string w1 string w2. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll take one string called prefix which will have empty string. Okay, now I'll convert this word to character array. Okay, char c1, okay, array equals to word1 dot to char array. Okay, similarly I need to convert the word2 also, char c2 word2 dot to char array. Okay, now I need to match the characters one by one. So I'll take the for loop, int j equals to 0, j less than c1 dot length or w1 dot length. Okay, word1 dot length, and j less than c2 dot length or word2 dot length. Okay, then j plus plus. Now we'll take the if condition to check the characters are same or not. c1 of j, if c1 of j equals to c2 of j, it means what? I need to update the prefix, right? Prefix plus equals to c2 of or c1 of j. Anything is fine. c2 or c1, anything is fine. Else I need to break. Else it will break. Okay, and it will return finally. This will return prefix. Okay, let's run this. Okay, we are getting some. Okay, spelling is incorrect. Again we are getting okay. STRs. Okay, submit it. Okay, hope you understood this approach. Thank you for watching this video.